Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on Qliothon. And as you can see, you can double your capital in just 25 days. And the payouts is 10 seconds. And folks, you know I've been in this thing for a few weeks already, so I've almost already doubled my money. Well, hey, before I get started, let me say I'm not a financial advisor. Super risky YouTube, dude. And so many plays out here in this space. Some winners, some losers. I can't tell you if they're going to be here today, gone tomorrow. They might not even be here after I get done with the video. So before you invest any money in any project that I talk about, you better do your own research. You never invest more than you can afford to lose, and you only use seed capital. Excuse me, you only use risk capital or entertainment capital. Why? Because it's like the casino, it's like the lottery, it's a straight up gamble. But Qliothon, folks, has been paying. And that's what you want to know. Is it still paying? Yes, it is. And the payouts come in 10 seconds. So, folks, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Like it, share it, comment, and subscribe on it. Now, folks, if you'd like to get started with Qliothon, that pays up to 6% per day. That's how you get to double your money in just 25 days. My link will be in the description of the video. And you would come over, you would set up your account when you follow the link. It says mobile here. You would click register. You can use any phone number, and then you can use any password. I think that's enough for a phone number. And then I click register. Oh, invalid phone number. Let me make up a little bit better phone number. There we go. Let me make up a little bit better phone number. So you don't even need a real phone number, obviously, folks. Then you can go ahead and get registered, right? Now, Qliothon is very simple, folks. When you get started, which this is just, I wanted to show you the setup and show you this before we go over to my actual live account and log in. Now, folks, you got 5 different levels here, right? The very first level, you can do $5, which is a free experience, right? You can do $10, you could do $30, you could do $50. Now, you do $5, $10, $30, or $50 on level one, you do not need to level up. You do not need to do anything else. You just need to send over your capital so that you can get started. Now, if you want to get into level two, level three, level four, or level five, then you will have to level up. Now, I'll talk to you about leveling up, but let me show you what Qliothon pays. On level one, you can see the free experience is 1%, and then they got the finance twos, 3.5% per day. And then level two, folks, pays you at 4% per day. And you see you can play between $1 and $500. Level three, folks, right here is where I'm at. It pays 4.5% per day. And you can get started with anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000. Then level four, folks, pays 5% per day. And then level five, folks, pays 6% per day. Now, I don't have any level four or level five investors yet, but I have plenty on level one, two, and level three. Now, folks, now if you wanted to go to level two or level three, meaning you want to invest more than $100, then you have to come down here to the level up button. All right. You can level up to level two or level three, four, or five. Now, this is a one-time fee. You pay this once for the lifetime of your account. So if you're on level two and you want to go, you pay that $10. Level three, you pay that $20. Level four is 30, level five is 40. Now, also, besides just opening up for you to be able to invest more and get paid more, it does open up downline percentages. So if you're going to refer people on level two, you get 10%, 6%, 3%. So level one, two, and three. But then you see it goes up. If you're on this level, level three, it's 12%, 8%, and 4%. Level four, 14, 10, and 5. And then level five, 16, 12, and 6. So it has two purposes. For one, it allows you the opportunity to get a bigger bond if you level up. And then it also allows you or affords you the opportunity to do better on your percentages through your downline. All right. So let me go ahead and log out of here. And then I am going to log into my actual account so you can see how this actually works. And then let me stop the share here. And then let me go ahead and get logged in here. And then I'm going to show you in here a little more about Qliothon. And once again, if you haven't already, this is a great time to go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. It's a great time to like it, share it, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And so now I'm logged into my Qliothon account. And then let me stop. Oh, dang, I think I might have, I don't know if I was sharing my screen or not. You guys might have seen me. All right. Well, regardless, here we are, Qliothon. I'm in here. And then, folks, you can see here, I'm going to show you a few things in the back office of Qliothon. You can come and check out their white paper that is right here. I'm not going to go a few presentation. I'm just going to give you Qliothon is an innovative financial platform dedicated to helping high quality global enterprises cope with the cash flow pressure brought about by the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes. The name of the platform comes from the son of Poseidon, the god of the sea, in Greek mythology, implying control over water currents. To achieve this goal, Qliothon uses big data, artificial intelligence technology to screen and evaluate high quality enterprises worldwide. And then so basically what they do, Qliothon can determine credit ratings and borrow needs of enterprises, providing them with low cost, efficient, and flexible loan services. So essentially, you're providing liquidity, folks, for them to provide these short-term loans to institution and others. So let me go back here on this white paper page. You can come and read more or check out another one of my videos. Folks, you can see that I have $5,037 in my balance right now. No earnings today because I haven't came in to earn today. Now, folks, you can earn once a day. You're going to see that I'm at level 3 because I purchased for level 3. I'm not doing level 2 and level 1. So level 3, 5,000 is where I'm at, right? And then I want to show you this, folks. It's pretty dope. All you do is come in and then click buy, confirm this buy, and then you see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So just that quick, you made your profit for today. I made $225 off my 5,000 like I've been making daily, and I can go ahead and click receive, and now that profit has been received. And then so now, folks, when you come back over and take a look at my balance, you see I got 225 today, and my balance went up a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is come over here and then I am going to withdraw. And then so go to balance withdrawal. There is a 12% fee, but it's 262. I'm gonna pull out, so I'm gonna leave that 5,000 sitting there so I can run another cycle. And then that way that has been submitted successfully. The withdrawals happen in the wallet literally in moments. So within a few seconds, I'll be getting a notification that that hit my wallet like it's always been. So literally 10 seconds to count down. Then that thing, you get it immediately. You can only do this once a day. You can't just do this 10, 15 times a day. It's literally once a day. You can do it between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern London time. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern London time. You can do this once per day. But folks, that's Qliothon. If you want to see a longer video, go ahead and check it out. But if you would please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. But hey, this thing is working and paying. I almost doubled my money. Peace.